Hello, in this video I will show you how to add IDM extension in Chrome. First thing that we need to do is to open the Chrome web browser. Secondly, type in the search field, download IDM for Google Chrome, and click on the link, IDM extension is not shown in Chrome extension list. Please note that all the IDM extension that can be found in Google Store are fake and should not be used. The official extension can be found under Section 2. Click on Add to Chrome button. Then click on Add Extension. Afterwards, a message will appear that the extension has been installed successfully. Next step that we can do is to test if the IDM works by downloading a random software. A pop-up by IDM appears and the download has been initiated successfully. If you found this video useful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.